Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and just a reminder, when you bake a potato, you want to drizzle olive oil over it. So you can see I've drizzled olive oil, it's wet. And then after the olive oil, and if you've got 4K, crank it up, you can see it. But I put a layer, I rolled it in a layer of sea salt. Now what this is gonna do as this potato bakes, and this is a bigger potato, so probably about 400 degrees in the oven for about an hour, maybe a few minutes longer. And what this olive oil will do and the sea salt, it'll give the outer part of the potato just a really crispy and flavorful taste. So this is a situation where if you bake a potato and you only eat the inside, if you do it this way, man, you're gonna be eating the whole thing. Tell me what you think within the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe, youtube.com/IrixGuy. And check out all of other Chef IrixGuy's videos too. Oh, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. See you later. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.